Yo man, yesterday I lost all of my video footages, my part 3, but I'll show you some of the photos of the things I did. Yesterday, took out all of the wiring, the whole drivetrain, and this is what I'm left with. It's the engine, the frame, the rear and front suspension over there. And what I'll be doing today is I'll be welding up all these rusted parts. It needs a lot of work. Needs a lot of work, but it has to be done. And sometimes shit does happen too, man. Took all the time to put all the video together. I actually edited, and the reason behind losing how I lost all this footage was my phone was bugging out because I've been just putting tons of memory from all of the video contents onto my smartphone. I typically use an external camera. Anyways, let's just continue on, all right? So apologize if there's no fine details of me disassembling the engine and all that, but trust me, I was looking forward to sharing it with you yesterday. Clean things up, I think that's good enough. And from here, we're gonna just weld around that cracked area. And that's what we're gonna be doing around this whole frame or this unibody.